Human safety. It is always good to be safe. You can remain safe only if you are careful. You have to keep yourself safe at home, in school, while crossing the road, while boarding a bus, while playing, and even when swimming. Rules of safety. At home. Do not touch switches and plugs barefoot or with wet hands. Do not play with sharp tools like knives, scissors, and blades. Always wear slippers. Never walk barefoot. Never tease stray animals. Do not throw waste on the floor. When you are at school, do not fight with your friends. Don't push each other on the staircase. And don't use blade to sharpen your pencil. On the road, follow the following rules. Try to walk on the footpath. Use zebra crossing to cross the road. You should not run on the road. Watch the traffic lights. Cross the road only when it is green. Look on both sides and then cross the road. While playing, always play safe games. Do not play with fire. Always play in a playground. Playing on roads is not safe, so never play on roads. Righa is saying, sharp tools can cause harm. Using sharp tools like blades, knives, etc. can cause harm to our body.